Hello everyone, welcome back on our data structure lectures. In our recent lectures, we are studying linked list, right? We completed all the major topics in linked list, like we have completed two types of linked list.
Check out the link below for free GATE course that has more than 200 videos along with this video, followed by doubt sessions, previous paper and more than 250 quiz from Gradeup.
Single linked list and double linked list. And in those two types, there are circular linked lists also. We have completed those also, right? Now, in this video, we'll discuss the previous year questions that are being asked on linked list and some other things, some other conclusions that are pending on linked list, right? So, we'll compile the whole topic of linked list in this video, right? Shall we start? Okay. See, first of all, see a question, GATE CS 2008. Okay, this question was asked in CS exam 2008. Okay, read the question. The following C function takes a single linked list of integers as a parameter and rearranges the elements of list. Okay, it takes a single linked list as parameter and rearranges the list. The function is called with the list containing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? These are the elements of linked list in given order. What will be the content? Okay, so
subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss any update from Gradeup.
So here is the code. This is the code. This is the code that is being implemented on the linked list. And what is the linked list? Draw the linked list. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is the linked list. So draw it. Suppose S, or it is pointed by list. It is given in the question, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that is your linked list. Now on this linked list, this code is run. This code is implemented. So what is the final output it is asking, right? So shall we start? Give the addresses. Give the addresses to everyone. That becomes very easy. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000 and 7000, right? These are the addresses. Now, list is a variable which contains the starting address 1000. Now start from here. We are declaring two more variables, P and Q, and also one more variable temp, right? We have declared three more variables, P, Q and temp. Now start. If not list or not list next, that means if your linked list is empty or it contains one element. How empty? Not list. Not list matlab, not list means the last element or the first element is 0. List is empty or list next is empty, right? Then return, then don't do anything. But it is not the case. Your linked list is not empty or contains only one element, right? It contains 7 elements. So this will not be executed. This will not be executed, right? Then P equals to list, right? P is equals to list. That means 1000 comes into P. Q is list next. Okay. List next is what? 2000. So 2000 comes into Q, right? Up till this point we have completed. Now there is a while loop. While loop for Q. Okay. Q is not empty. We can execute the loop. Okay. Temp equals to P value. What is the P value? 1000 value is 1. Okay. Then update P value to Q value. What is the Q value? 2. Update P value. So 1 is updated to 2, right? We have executed this statement and this statement. Now Q value equals to temp. Update Q value. Update 2000 value to temp. So 2 is updated to 1, right? This statement is also completed. Now P equals to Q next, right? What is Q next? 3000 goes into P. And what is this? Q equals to P question mark. This is a conditional operator. Conditional operator. See, I am explaining this statement. What is this statement? See, if I write A, B and C, if I write this way, this is the condition. Okay, this is the condition. This A represents condition. If this condition is true, then this statement will be executed, right? If A is true, then B will be executed. If A is false, then C will be executed. So that is the meaning of these operators. Discussing this question has basically this aim only, to decide So discuss about this operators, right? A is a condition. If condition is true, this B statement will be executed. Otherwise, C will be executed. So see here, Q equals to P. So P is a condition. Is P true or false? P is not null. P is true. So this statement will be executed. P next. So finally, Q equals to P next, right? Q equals to P next. What is the next of 3000? It is 4000. Now execute the same code again from while loop, right? You don't have to execute the same code again. You can now generalize. What is happening? See here. What is happening? The two adjacent nodes get swapped. The two adjacent nodes get swapped. So when this whole loop will be executed, adjacent nodes will be swapped again and again. Okay? 1, 2 was there. Now 2, 1. So here again you are performing the same. It will be 4 and 3. Here it will be 6 and 5. Now no swapping, right? So the final list is 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5 and 7, right? Come back on the options. See here, which option is correct? This one, B option. 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5 and 7. Adjacent elements are swapped by the code. This can also be asked. He won't give the option, he can give the statements also, right? Then you choose adjacent elements will be swapped. Got it? Any problem in this question, right? So that's how the questions are being framed in GATE exam. Pattern remains the same. The concept always remains same. The type of question must vary. Okay? So please go logically and solve the question, right? Okay. Now come back on an example now. Come on example. This is not a previous year. This is an example to understand. Sometimes these type of questions are asked. You are given a linked list. Some code is performed. And then you have to find the output, right? So I am basically telling a technique to you. A technique to solve linked list question very fast, right? Sometimes what happens, you just confused by these next. See how many times next is written. P equals to S next, then next. So you get confused in exam. So I am telling you a trick or technique to solve these type of questions. Okay, see here. This linked list is given to you. Write linked list according to the addresses. Okay. Suppose the address is 1000. It has 2000. It is 3000 and so on, right? Now, rewrite the linked list using the addresses. Don't use these pointers. Use this will store the pointer to next. So 2000 will be there, right? So redraw the linked list. See here. A and 2000. Don't draw the pointers as I said, because at this step you will get confused. What is what? So write the pointers. This trick is very helpful, guys. Very helpful. When you solve previous year, try to use this trick. It will be very helpful for you. A 2000, B 3000, okay. C 4000, D 5000, E 6000, F 7000 and then G, which is null, right? Write their addresses also. 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000 and 7000, right? And S is a variable which is storing the starting address as 1000. Now implement this code. Now implementing will be very much easier rather than this. Okay. So P is a variable. P is a variable declared here. Yes, I have executed this statement. Now execute. P equals to this value. How to find this value? Say, write it on this. What is S? 1000. What is S next? What is S next? 2000. What is 2000 next? 3000. What is 3000 next? 4000. So 4000 will be stored in P. Got it? Do this way, it will be very easier. Next thing, update this value. Update, so very long value. First of all, see. What is this value? First of all, see. P is 4000. 4000 next is, see, you can hear 4000 next is 5000. 5000 next is 6000. 6000 next is 7000. Now you have to update 7000 next. So you have to update this value. Okay. You have to update 7000 next to S next. What is S? 1000. What is 1000 next? 2000. What is 2000 next? 3000, right? Update this value to 3000. 3000. Got it? This statement also, this was over, now this is also over. Now come back on this. S, what is S? 1000. What is S next? 2000. So update the value of 2000 next, that is this value. Update this value, 2000 next, 2. What is P? 4000. What is P next? What is 4000 next? 5000. What is 5000 next? 6000. What is 6000 next? 7000. So update this value to 7000. Okay, this statement also over. Now you have done all the things. Now print the value. P. What is P? 4000. What is 4000 next? See here, you can see here 4000 next is 5000. What is 5000 next? 6000. What is 6000 next? 7000. What is 7000 next? It is now 3000. Okay, if you draw the arrows now, it will be very complex if you use arrows. Now you come to 3000. What is 3000 next? 4000. What is 4000 next? 5000. What is 5000 next? 6000. What is the data? Now 6000 data. You are here. What is the data of 6000? F. So what will be printed? F. So use this trick to solve the questions of linked list. This will be very easy. If you use pointers, this will be very easier. If you draw the arrows, this will come here. Okay, this will go here. It will be very complex to understand. It will be very complex. Okay, so use addresses. It will be very much easier for you. Okay, this example motive was to explain this trick to you. I hope you got it now. I hope. Okay. Okay. Now let's do a comparison between array and linked list. You know array also, you know linked list also. What is the difference between them? First of all, array is a collection of elements stored in continuous manner. Yes or no? Yes or no? Linked list is a collection of nodes which are connected via pointers. They doesn't need to be continuous. Okay? Got it? Now see the first comparison. Size of array must be known. You declare array as A10. What is 10 denotes? The size of array. So before declaration, the size of array must be known. In linked list, did you declare any size? No. It is dynamic in nature. You just declare the structure of a node and just use pointers to connect those nodes. Got it? So the first difference is size of array must be known, whereas the size of linked list doesn't matter at all. Cleared? Second thing, increasing size of array is not possible, or it must be very time consuming. See, suppose your array is 10, but now you want to increase the size of an array. So what you have to do, you take another array, 20, and now you copy all the contents of this array into this array. This you have to do for increasing the size. Okay, so increasing the size is very time consuming. Here, no problem, just add the nodes in beginning or at end as you want. There is no problem increasing the size of linked list. That's why array size is not fixed. In array, increasing size is a problem, but in linked list it is very easy. Got it? So now you will be thinking linked list is very good. There are two disadvantages, but now the major thing, access time. As I have discussed in arrays, you can directly access an element. Access time is order of 1. But here access time is order of n. If you want to go to last element, you have to traverse all the elements. Got it? That is why access time is very large in case of linked list. Whereas in array, it is constant. So it depends on your application. Somewhere array is good and somewhere linked lists are good. Got it? The difference between these two things, right? Okay. Now, a very short thing is pending in linked list, searching and sorting. We have explained searching you. I have explained searching. Linear search is applicable on linked list. Time complexity order of n. Got it? Next, binary search can be implemented. How binary search work? Go to the middle element. Go to the middle element. In linked list, how will you go to middle element? To go to middle element, you need to traverse the linked list, which will take order of n time. So, binary search will also going to take order of n time. So, what is the use? Hence, linear search is implemented. Got it? On linked list, we use linear search only. Right? Now, sorting. To sort a linked list, we use merge sort, guys. We use merge sort. merge sort take the same time complexity n log n as it takes in array. Why? Because to merge two linked lists, merge algorithm will take order of m plus n time as in your array. So we use merge sort in case of linked list because it will take the same n log n time. Cleared? Any problem? Right? So guys, that's all about the topic linked list. Right? We have explained everything possible in linked list. Now practice the previous year questions that are being asked on linked list. Very few questions are asked on arrays and linked list. Practice all those questions. Maximum questions on linked list are asked in your PSU exams like ISRO and BARC. So if you are aiming for that, linked list is very important, very important. In interviews, like if you go for MTech interviews in IIT, linked list every time it is asked, every time. Okay, so it is very important topic. Now practice. I say this thing every time, practice, because practice is something which will gain you speed. You will develop speed by practicing only. Okay, you will develop your own techniques when you practice. Okay, so now do the previous year, do the question, and then attempt the test series. Right? If you have any doubt, post on the app, you will surely get answered. Okay, in our next video now, we'll start the next topic of data structures, that is stack. It is very important. We'll start in next video. Okay guys, so stay updated. Thank you so much.